This is Daryl Terry, and this is my Week 10 video demonstrating the MySQL projects database. And up to this point, the coding will allow a user to select from a menu of options. In this video, we will display listing the projects that have been created, selecting a specific project from that list, and displaying details about that project, such as materials, category, and steps, and also how the program handles invalid user input, such as selecting an option from the menu list that does not exist, as well as selecting an invalid project ID. So we'll run the app. And here's our menu. I did add this exit to the menu because I was having some problems and I wanted to be able to easily exit, and hitting enter wasn't working in every situation. All right, so you are not working with a project, as we're told, and so it wants you to select one of the menu items. And so we will display a list of projects that have been added to the MySQL database. And we have a connection, and we have the one that was suggested in the number one, which was suggested in the homework assignments, and I added a couple more projects just so we would have something to choose from. All right, so now I want to select a project, so I will choose menu option number 3 to select one of those specific projects. And now I'm asked to enter the project ID. And this is the reason that you want to list the projects, the ID and the name of the project, so you know what the ID is. And so we'll select project number 1. And here you can see the project ID, the name, estimated hours, actual hours, difficulty, some notes, the materials, the steps to be taken, and the category in which this project resides. We'll now hit enter and exit the menu. Now I should have went ahead and ran through the errors, but I'll rerun the application, and this time I will put menu item number 4. It tells me it's not valid. So now I will select a project, and I will enter project number 4. And it also is telling me that project number 4 does not exist. Try again. So I'll do it correctly again to demonstrate that. And I'll choose one of my other projects. I don't have as many details on that one. I don't have material, steps, and categories on it yet. But that does show that that project that I entered, in addition to what was suggested in the homework, does exist. And just for completeness, I will show my other project that I entered, and there it is. We'll now exit the menu, and that demonstrates the functionality of the Java application to access and display projects from the MySQL database up to this point. And that's the end of this video.